Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Equalizer of your Nothing ear stick. So to do this, you have to just hit the Equalizer in the application. And here we got two options, the simple mode with a few presets or the custom one. So right now we can adjust by moving these dots. And also the more advanced and probably one of the most advanced equalizers that you can find on smartphones, I mean on the earphones, and that's also the quick preview, so we can skip. And here we've got, of course, this custom presets that we can set up. So that's the custom one profile that we are going right now to adjust. So with these dots you can basically adjust the equalizer preset, and also there is additional parameters right here. There's also the graphic preview when you move any of the parameter. So it looks really amazing actually. If you want to reset this preset, all of the settings, just click right here, confirm, and as you can see it goes back to the default settings. And yeah, that's basically how we can do this. You can also share or import the equalizer presets by tapping right here. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.